Hello everyone, welcome to my channel DIY Crafty Magic. My name is Leslie, I am in Ukrainian in Kyiv. Unfortunately, there are still ongoing military action here, but I continue to live my life and even started this channel 3 months ago. Now I will show you some items I made myself and shared here on this channel. You can find a video tutorial. I've already gifted many of my crafts to my friends and family. Today I'll show you what I still have, and this is also a small introduction to my channel. Please excuse my English, I am still learning. Thank you for your understanding. This is a candle holder for an electronic candle. It's made from a plastic bottle. I also used foam and pearl effect paint. Look at this. This is a pencil case for various small items. It's made from an old postal box. As you can see, it features transparent heads. It looks very eye-catching when filled with colorful pink beads and shiny pink heads. There is also an interesting clasp here. It's made of a magnet and a coins issued in Ukrainian in 2023. The 2 hryvnia coins attract the magnet, creating an unique closure. And this coffee jar is made from a tin coffee can. I used jute rope, glitter foam and bead trim to create it. I'd like to remind you that all the video tutorials on how to make these items are available on my channel. These are some of my favorite crafts. They are quick and easy to make. They look very striking because they feature transparent plastic filled with colorful soft beads. There are also pencil or pen toppers shaped like cute capybaras, which are very quick and easy to make using soft clay. And you can also make these cute magnets using soft clay, a magnet and a plastic bottle cap. Can you imagine such simple materials? Capybara Squish and Toys. They are super quick and easy to make. These adorable toys will always lift your mood and make you smile. And this is my favorite cup for pencils and pens. It's made from a plastic bottle and soft modeling clay. It's very pleasant to the touch and extremely bright for the eyes. It's very easy to make, but you need to prepare lots and lots of colorful soft modeling clay cycles in advance. This bright organizer is made from an old cardboard box. It's very cute and practical. It has pull-out drawers. This striking and vibrant ruler will definitely catch your friend's attention. It's made from transparent film and soft clay with shiny stars inside. And this heart-shaped brooch can be pinned to a bag or clothing. It's made of soft modeling clay. And this fun pencil topper is very easy to make. You'll need 2 plastic bottles and lots modeling clay balls. And in this pencil holder, beside the soft modeling clay, I also used colorful threads. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss new crafts. Bye everyone!